I was at the Menards looking for storage containers and racks for the kitchen, you know, all the nice little shelf or the cupboard things you put in to make everything look organized and awesome. I was like, well, I don't really have anything to organize, so I don't know what kind of things I should buy. So I had to go to the grocery store to get things so I knew what to organize so I could get the organizer things. Yep, that's what I did. All right, I got everything put away. That wasn't too bad. Now I have an idea of what I need to get to kind of organize stuff. It's not a lot, so I'm glad I didn't buy any of that stuff. I really only need a few things. And I already did order some organizers for like the pastas and beans and rice and whatnot. I want to try that. Everything's sitting out in the cupboard kind of look. See how that goes. Got all the canned stuff put away and everything, and got a little snack for the kid to head off and pick her up at school. So, see you tomorrow.